Welcome everybody to part 1 of our general install video. In this video we're going to show you how to lay out the grid and install all the frame components for panel installation. First step, we're going to lay out the grid. Determine where your reveals are going to go across the wall and mark everything out on the wall. Every building is always a bit different, so please refer to your architectural plans before you lay everything out. Our next step is installing our vertical perimeter extrusions first. In this particular plans, we've decided to go with our outside corner first. When cutting any of our extrusions, please use an AL13 non-ferrous blade. Be sure to miter your vertical and horizontal transitions. This will make your install a lot easier and simpler down the road. Your other option is to notch the fastening tab so you can tuck it behind the vertical. Our next step is laying out our horizontal backplates 16-inch on center for our rain screen system. When installing your segmented backplates, always install 2 screws or else you run the risk of it not lining up properly. And in this particular layout, the segmented backplates are 16-inch on center and 3 inches away from every vertical backplate. Now we're going to tuck in our horizontal top caps into our vertical end frames, and we're going to do that using a snap lock engagement device, which is an AL13 product. And make sure you're always impacting your sled where there's a backplate present. Adjoining extrusions must always occur where there's a backplate present. Now we're going to start laying out our vertical backplates. When you're coming along windows and doors, please use your half backplate option for that portion. And in the middle of the plane of your wall, please use your full backplate and make sure we leave 3 inches from the top and the bottom so we have an easy top cap installation later. And where we previously installed our half backplate against the windows, we're now going to align our full backplate at the tops and bottoms of those pieces to create a full backplate vertically on every portion. So now we're going to move to the horizontal segmented backplates for the window portion. We're going to use our half backplates, which are cut to 3.2 inches, and we're going to space those at 16-inch on center for rain screen purposes and 3 inches from each vertical portion. In this portion, we're showing that we're using a full backplate cut to 3.2 inches and spaced at 16-inch on center, and that's where our panels will meet. So now you're ready to install all the clips. A clip will go on every segmented backplate, and be sure to keep the thick side towards the panel, and make sure that you're also on all the long lengths around the perimeter and the verticals. Keep them 16-inch on center and keep them also every 3 to 6 inches away from each corner of the panel. And that's all you got to do. Subscribe. And in our next video, we're going to show you how to cut the panels and install the top caps to complete the job.